How to use your computer as a Wi-Fi router. Use share wired or wireless internet to other devices such as phones, tablets, or TVs. Scan QR code. Connected. Follow these steps. I'm using a desktop computer. Connect to the internet using a cable. In Windows 11, follow these steps. Start. Settings. Network and Internet. Mobile hotspot. Share internet from a wired connection. Ethernet. Share over Wi-Fi. Enable mobile hotspot. Disable power saving. Edit. Change the default wireless network. New password. Save. QR code. Connect from a phone. You can quickly activate the mobile hotspot using the action button here. The above is how to share internet from your computer to other devices wirelessly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.